we back. It's been a while since I posted, but I'm kind of getting tired of that short form content and want to post more of that long form stuff, just because cast to catches are just getting really repetitive and really boring. So what a better way to come back with a video of just me and the boys ripping lips. I took out my buddy Les and Mike. They'll be in the description. Follow all their shit. Yeah, we went out to Back Bay. Pretty much just couldn't keep him out of the boat. I threw a spinnerbait all day. I'm filming this days later because I've just been so busy. I didn't plan this to be a video, but I'm not gonna yap too much. It's just pretty much a video of me and the homies fishing, and yeah, enjoy it, and I'll be back with some more and consistent content. Thank y'all very much for watching.
They're like, this way, this way. This way, don't go that way. Dude's getting crazy out there. Pumping through the grass. This is nice grass.
I know. It's like annoying to fish, but it's so healthy they're in it.
They're in it.
Well, we should be ripping fucking lipless crankbaits through it.
That sounds like hell.
Dude, I'm telling you though.
That sounds like grass every cast.
Grass, and then they like that ripping though.
They do.
If you, the second you rip it free though, be ready. That wouldn't hurt too bad. But
That's piercing.
Is this a fish or a fucking... Oh, fish.
it's a fish.
What do you throw?
I got there and worm.
Yup.
Cheating.
Let's go.
That's what I'm talking about.
He's not that big.
He's not that bad either.
Nice, dude. Freaking go fish.
Let's go.
First fish in the boat.
First fish, boys. If we were in a survival situation, I would share this motherfucker with y'all.
That's what it's about.
Nice.
Nice.
Woo! Quick pick. I seen a video. This dude was fishing his kayak and he dropped the whole bottle.
His kayak was probably staying forever.
He dropped it on his crotch.
Oh!
And he was like, ah, it burns. Oh. Like he was, like I guess this stuff burns our skin really bad if we were to like drop it on us.
Especially probably in your crotch.
Yeah, he was like, he literally had to like hop off his kayak and like get water on his crotch. Like it burned.
Yeah, that sounds fucking terrible.
I know his crotch was bleached so fucking long. And he was a white dude, so you know that.
Yeah.
It never goes away.
No, dude, he's changed forever. And he'll never be able to explain that.
No.
You know, he better be in a committed relationship already.
It's like getting skunked probably.
Maybe it attracts the women though. Like the bass.
Oh my god, you're not getting head that night.
No, dog, maybe not ever. Start looking like you got something that no one knows what it is.
You're shocked.
Oh, it's really cold. So I don't know what they're doing right now. Well, I know they're eating shit, but I don't know where they're positioned. There we go.
Yeah. Is that a netteroonie? Grab the net. Looks like it's bigger.
Oh no. Dang, he's fighting hard as fuck though.
Survival, oh yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah.
That's an eater.
Right on that tree. I saw him around here for a while.
There's that eater, my boy. Fish number 2. Alright, Les, you're up.
I know, it's my fucking turn.
It's your freaking turn. On the spinnerbait.
My go-to right now.
Alright, I'm gonna switch there. Taking off this chatter now. I'm gonna sit my ass down and take off this chatter. See what kind of spinnerbait I got.
I just
Oh, it dropped back to 3.
What were we at?
We were at 2, then it went down to 1.8. Now we're back into 3.2.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We're in like a little pocket here.
There we go.
There it is. See? Coming up.
Nice.
In a little pocket.
Let's get it. There's not another spinnerbait that sticks them like that. I swear.
Still in 3 feet.
Yeah, then it gets up to like 1 up here. It's pretty far up. But when the water's high, you can usually sneak in there. Might be too shallow today. Let's see. Woohoo! Just got smoked. Might hit it again. Yep.
Coming up.
Jeez Louise.
Picking up the spinnerbait.
Let's watch out real quick.
Spinnerbait, spinnerbait, spinnerbait.
Are you good?
Spinnerbait. Last night, Braden texted me, "See you in the AM." Because usually I'd be like, I ain't coming.
Yeah, so I was like, I better follow up with his ass. I haven't heard from him all day.
He sees me with a beer on IG. He's like, fuck.
Fuck, it's over.
He ain't coming. Your boy on the line.
Yeah,
He reminds me of like a Japanese fisherman.
he's crazy.
Like how they just like hike in the woods and fish like a little ass stream.
Yes.
Like some of his casts, I'm like, wait, where is he casting to? Like
He's
in the
casting
woods?
an inch
Like
of
in
water.
the woods? He's like this. He's like, here we go.
Yeah.
I'm like, what the fuck? He just casted literally like in a stream and pulled the fish out. It's crazy. With the BFS setup,
Yeah, he's got that sick Calcutta now. It looks so clean. That reel is so sick.
one stick, one little snag, you could just like lose it. Lose your fish. Such a high risk game.
There we go.
Get out of here. Kicking this dude off his own bait.
I know. He's fucking.
Ooh, it's a good one too. Ooh. Oh yeah.
It is, man. Get
Oh
you
yeah.
some.
Look at the colors on them. Like they are healthy as fuck. What are we in? Oh, we're in 1 foot of water, Braden.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We can't go back there.
We are in 1 foot of. You just pulled that fish out of 1 foot of water. Braden's
Yeah, I'm about to take a biscuit break and a
Dude, I'm so hungry right now.
Bowl
I can't
rip
put the-
break.
Can't put the
Thanks
rod
a
down.
lot, Braden.
so I think you ruined my fishing.
Thanks a
experience.
lot.
Y'all chill.
This is video. This goes like, thanks a lot, Rachel. You ruined me charger. After you, it's like, your charger doesn't charge me phone because it got used to your phone.
Now that I know they're gonna smack it,
Is that on the underspin?
the fluke.
The Flukington.
Looking.
It was just sitting there and it just disappeared. It came up and just go.
It's like the one, the only bait
There
you
we
can
go.
really just let it.
There it is. That's a long
Slimy
fish.
pickle.
Oh my
I
god.
was gonna say that's a long one.
He's like, break it. I'm trying to break it. Those things are all gills. That'd be a nice little chicken nuggets.
Couple of long nuggets.
Thank you, Les.
huh.
That is the rubberiest sandwich ever.
Cold is crazy. They're so gross cold, but like, it's survival. Should have been a text that went out talk about this War Eagle spinnerbait.
Except for you're gonna go ahead and lead the boat, going around showing people how to use it.
There should have been a picture description
Of what to bring on the
of
boat.
what to bring this trip, because you obviously figured it out.
Got one.
Ooh,
Yes.
Got a good one.
where is he coming? Oh my.
Not as good as I thought, but.
That's the biggest one of the day.
Oh. Nice.
Got that on GoPro. Sick.
Hell yeah. Thanks for the net job.
Of course, dude. I couldn't be having a bad day. That could have been the final straw.
Oh.
Just have one.
Damn, dude. Yes.
Off the bushy.
The jiggeroony.
Nigger Timmy.
He swam straight at the boat, so I couldn't fucking get him.
Ah.
Here we go.
It's probably the one that's the big old slimy one.
Look at that. I just had really light lines.
I know, he's doing too much.
Good looks, dude.
You want him on your boat? You gonna bring him up?
Oh no, leave him right there. It's perfect. Thank you.
I didn't know if you want me to bring him up. Bring on that shit. Dang, you got him a stinky one.
Stinker Tony.
That's a big one.
I know.
Holy shit.
And he spit the drop shot. Thank God. Yes.
Yes.
Nice and free.
Win. A win is a win. I was like, dude, he's about to fray you.
No, I knew he was hooked so good.
Look at that. Now whack him on the head and throw him back. Said GoPro stop recording. 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, those are good.
Oh, he got my finger good. You don't believe
Jacking
it. Look at that. Jack me.
The gill plate.
No, his tooth. Watch these rocks. Try to pull yourself.
On the dropper thing. Big stinky.
Damn. Oh. Oh.
You got it, thank you.
Fuck it.
Oh.
Good job.
Good save, Les.
I was so happy.
You just threw it in on accident?
I just went. I was like,
I had my eyes on it the whole time. I was like,
fuck my rod, get the net.
Look
Smoke
at
that
that.
spinner.
Good job. Did you see that?
The rod fell in the water.
No, I chucked it in the water. I threw my rod in the water and grabbed the net.
Dude, you're crazy.
Oh, jeez.
Fire.
Where'd it go?
911.
Yo, big one,
You're so fucked up. You're not even.
Maybe not big, but.
You're not
So
even
hard.
funny. Like, I'm like, oh my god. I'm like,
Wow, he
Yeah,
felt
ready to-
huge.
is that what you're calling it now? It's called Peanut Festival. How is it shortened down to Nut Fest?
Nut Festival's crazy.
Nut Festival is crazy. Yes, I'm going to the Peanut Festival. Okay. Let's do this. What I need is some good water. it. Oh, it's a fish. Ew!
There you go.
Hell yeah. Another one.
It wasn't even hooked. It was just pressure. Let me know whenever you're done, dude. I'm not really like, I'm burnt, but I don't give a fuck. Oh my god.
You got him on there?
Yup.
Okay.
Nice one.
Yeah, I saw that boil.
No weight came off.
Nope. Come on.
Oh. Hit the spinnerbait immediately, huh? Oh.
Get it?
Dang. It's probably not the one you just had.
Nice.
I didn't even cast it where that thing was.
No, I was just saying. If you get the one that they get worse.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Dang. Yeah, fuck that. On. Mike's getting in that with his paw hat. Oh, nice one.
Oh, I'm like half asleep. On.
That's
Oh,
good,
shower
dude.
with that one. Dude, they're eating that thing good.
All day long. Should I think to them?
Don't
Go
worry,
for
I'm
it.
buying me some tonight. I am buying me some tonight.
Can't tell if it's on right now or off, on, off.
I saw your blade.
Oh, it's on.
Oh!
Ugh.
Oh my god, like, dude. He just can only fit a hook in his mouth.
You got it.
Look at that.
Right, it's half of the mouth.
That's crazy. I couldn't tell if he was on or just like fucking small.